it's me right here, and today we're opening Cutie Tooties. I'm gonna open 3. I hope you guys give a big thumbs up. Let's get started.
Enjoy this video until the end, please.
Here you go.
Ooh.
We got red.
Oh, I love red. Let's see who we get this time, guys.
Yeah.
You guys know Maya's still trying to make her collection.
You guys, I'm gonna take out the nether ones. And here you go.
Ooh, thank you.
Let's go. We got the little one.
Maybe get this one.
Yeah. Woo. The little one's tough.
You know we orchid, the little pink and white panda.
Oh yeah.
We still need sunshine.
Yeah.
Who else? Shadow.
Who's Shadow?
Like the moon kind.
Yeah.
We need Mooney as well. We need Stardust.
I don't know who's Stardust.
Thorn. Hops. Ooh, I like they're so cute.
Okay. Time to open.
Are you able to open them?
Yeah.
Ooh.
I'm gonna open the blue one because blue is my favorite color.
Ooh.
Ah, this is like a stretchy.
Let me see if I can find that one. Ooh. Okay, we have.
This is a. Let me try to. You guys! I think this is a Yeti.
Wait. No way.
What?
Maya, this is not on the list. This is not on the list.
Maybe this is ultra rare.
Oh my god, no, yeah, this. Okay. Oh, there it is. Oh, wow. Oh, he is an ultra rare.
I got it correct.
We got Frostbite, guys.
I
Look
thought
at that. Oh my god.
I thought he was a Yeti for a second, but no. He was
so
a Frostbite.
That's his name, Frostbite.
Oh, this
Oh,
one
he's
I
so
like.
cute.
I like this one. That
Look
has
at
hearts.
that.
That has heart sprinkles.
It
I
does.
love it.
Has glittery stuff all over it.
Yeah.
Why don't you show Frostbite? Let's see him. Wow.
He's
Turn
so
him around.
funny.
He's so cute. Look at his eyes.
And look at his
Oh,
big
wow.
unicorn.
Wow, I love his colors. They're so cute. What do you guys think about that one? Let us know, please.
Now I'm
Wow.
gonna open the red one.
He is so cute. All right, let's see.
I always wanted this one.
Really? Is it new?
There's a rainbow coming out.
Ooh, you got sunshine.
Sunshine?
Sunshine. Oh, welcome.
I always wanted her.
Super. He's a super ultra rare.
You guys, I got 2 ultra rares.
You got an ultra rare and you got a super ultra rare, Maya.
Yeah, so we got Frostbite.
I'm sorry, I'm excited.
We got Frostbite, the ultra rare, and we got Sun, the ultra
Ooh,
very
it's
rare.
like a kind of like an orangey kind, yellow.
He has like this sun color,
Oh.
and there's stars in it, just like the mouse.
That is so cute. Wow, let's see him. Oh wow, look at that, guys. I love this little rainbow coming out. Wow.
I love it. He's stuck
I
right here.
adore it.
Now, the last one.
Now let's give him some space. Ooh, look at that. Ooh, what do you guys think of them? Last one. Ooh, watery slime.
Yeah. This one,
Let's see. We might have a twin. What is it? What is it? What is it? Do we have sizzle? Is it green? Or
You see we have one there and got
yeah, we have the baby. You guys see that one there? Ooh, sizzle! We got sizzle, guys.
Yay, sizzle!
We got 3 different ones, Maya.
Wait, is he an ultra rare?
Him, he is regular.
Regular?
Uh-huh. He's so cute. Look at that. What do you think of him? Oh my. Guys, let us know which one's your favorite from these 3, okay?
What do we see?
I love them. Sunshine, wow.
You guys, I'm going to show you the ones that I have right now. I
So
got
far.
pink, I got sunlight, I got
Sunshine, that's a
sunshine.
sunshine, and that's sizzle.
Sizzle, and
Frostbite.
and
And that one, wait. Twinkle.
Twinkle,
You're right.
and
And bang again.
sugar,
Sugar, yeah, you're right. Oh no, that's Grizz. That's Grizz. And
I
then,
like calling her sugar.
and then we got Ash.
Dash,
Yeah, and then we have Petal,
petal,
a Twinkle,
Twinkle.
again. Then we have Prism
prism,
and Swing
swing,
and Cuddles.
cuddles,
And ooh, where is she? Oh, Spark
spark, and raindrop.
and Puddles. Drip actually.
Yes,
Drip or Puddles? They're both the same, but just one is lighter.
yeah,
I think it's Puddles.
yeah.
Yeah, Puddles. So cute, guys. So we
So
have
guys, I like this one, the wings.
Sizzle, and he's regular, but he's cute.
Yeah.
Ooh,
I wanted her to be an ultra rare.
they should be, right? The little dragons are so cute.
Yeah. I want to see if the glow's in the dark.
I don't think so.
I want to see.
He's from the Junk Foodie Duties.
Ooh. Wait.
Mhm.
Is it from He's Mom?
Maybe, I think. You never know.
Well, let's turn off the lights and see if.
No, I don't think he.
So you guys, I like Sunshine. He's like got a rainbow mouth.
He
and, like,
is
background.
super ultra rare, guys. What
Yeah.
do you guys think?
We
Oh,
need
wow.
to get his mom because I don't know if
He
has
is
his
just like Ash.
Yeah.
So we got Ash, that's super
Yeah.
ultra rare. We got Sunshine, that's super ultra rare,
Yeah.
which I think is so awesome.
mom. Yeah.
They're so cute.
I like this one because this unicorn thing and how about let's call it unicorn?
Unicorn.
one.
Let's talk about Frostbite too.
Yeah, I like Frostbite. He has horns and he has his unicorns.
He's from Antarctica, and he's the only one from Antarctica. Yeah.
No one else?
Yes. No one else. He's the only one from there. He's so cute. And then Sunshine is from the Cosmic Doo-Doos.
Oh,
I know.
that's a funny one
It's
because
cute.
it's called Cosmic Doo-Doo.
Yeah. And then, so we have Puddles, and then Ash, and then Bang. They're from the Sky
Yeah.
Blue Doos.
And this is my end of my video. I hope you guys give it a big thumbs up. Bye.
Thank you guys, and thank you for watching until the end. Bye.